सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 4, verse number 32. एवं बहुविधा यज्ञाः वितता ब्रह्मणो मुखे कर्मजान् विद्धितान् सर्वान् एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्ष्यसे। Lord Krishna has enumerated all the yajnas which are meant to Chitta Shuddhi. Chitta Shuddhi means refinement of the mind. All these yajnas which are all born of Karmajan. The second line of this 32nd shloka. Hey Arjuna, you understand all these yajnas are Karmajan, born of action. Karmajan Viddhi, may you know. Viddhi means may you know what? Bahuvidha yajnaha. Bahuvidha means varieties of. Vidhaha means varieties. Bahuvidhana, varieties of many different types of yajnas. Innumerable, countless. So many yajnas are there. All of them, Bahudhaha, where from they are born? Brahmano mukhe vitataha. Vitataha means they spread all over, they came out. Vitataha, they pervaded, means they are all in the minds of the people through Vedas. They came out through the Vedas, people come to know about them. Brahmanaha means here Veda, through the Veda mantras. Brahmano mukhe dware ityartha. Mukhe means dwarya, through the Vedic books or through the Vedic words. Brahmano mukhe bahudha vitataha. And they are all born out of action only. Action is involved. Karmajan. Karmajan means they are to be born of action. Other than Jnana Yajna, all are born of physical or verbal or mental action. Physical action, doing puja, is called Kayaka Karma. Chanting stotrams, chanting mantras, offering oblations and all, verbal, vachikam. Then meditation and all, manasa vyapara, through the mind. So manasa, vacha, karmana, all put together action only. You take any yajna, worldly people, whatever they are doing, to going to a pilgrimage center and doing puja there, kayika, physical action is involved. Like that, karmajan, that is the meaning. Sarvan tan, all of them you understand as anatmajan ityartha. Viddhi, how to you should know them? Born of action, when they do that action, All Dravya Yajnas, these yajnas are all because of the performance, because of Ajnanam. All are because of Ajnanam. Vidhi means how you should know them. I know all of them are Kayika Karma, Vachika Karma, Manasa Karma. You are explaining, Swamini, it is very clear. Not like that you should know. They are all born out of Anatma. Atma is Nishkriyaha. Atma can never do anything. But these are all born of body-mind complex. Body-mind complex. Body-mind complexes is Anatma or Atma? Anatma. You take any action, Kayika Karma belong to whom? Body. Vachika Karma belong to whom? Karmendriyam. And meditation, Manasa Karma belong to whom? Manas. So all these three put together, Anatma or Atma? Anatma. Therefore, I can extrapolate Anatmajan Vidhina. They are all born of Anatma, you should know, you understand, Arjuna. Evam Gnatva. That word I left out last class. The Gnatva, Evam Gnatva means in this manner. Having known in this manner. So this Gnatva we have to understand very carefully. They are all born out of karma because karma belongs to Karta. Karta is the doer. I am the doer. When the bhavana I am the doer comes, the doership goes to Anatma only, not to the Atma. Why? Atma cannot do anything. Atma cannot do anything because Atma do not have hands, legs, mouth, nothing is there for Atma. That awareness, consciousness is free from organs. Niravayavaha, niravayavatvat nishkriyaha. Avayava rahitaha, niravayavaha. You have avayava only, you can chant, you can walk, you can do archana. How Atma can do? So therefore when I say I am the doer of performer of this yaga, homa, puja, when you say that doership belong to whom? Body, either body or mouth, karmendriyam or to the mind. Since I am Nishkriyaha, now primary eye, secondary eye, you have to see. OC and RC. I, the original consciousness, is free from action because I don't have hands, mouth or mind also as a Mukhya Atma, OC, original consciousness. But as the body-mind complex, RC, Ahankara, this body-mind complex is doing the action. Now this doership goes to Anatma body-mind complex or Atma the consciousness. See, the doership will go to only to RC body-mind complex, which is inert by itself. By second chapter of Gita, what is our understanding? What is my nature, real nature? Atma, consciousness, I am the awarer, awareness, Chaitanyam, Brahma, I am. So, this doership is not really belong to me. I am Akarta, really speaking. This Anatma body-mind complex, because of Ajnana, thinking that it wants punya, it wants something else, this and that to fulfill something, that Ahankara claims I am the doer. Evam Gnatva. If you understand this, every karma is because of Ajnana. Atma Ajnanam eva karma karanam. Once you do karma, kartrutvam will be there. That kartrutvam you take to yourself. I am the doer. I get papam. I get punyam. All these results of action you take to yourself. Then Kimahagum sadhuna karavam. Kimahagum papamakaravamiti. Why I did like this? Why I did not did like this? இப்படி பண்ணிருந்தா நல்லா இருக்குமே. இதெல்லாம் யாருக்கு என்ன கவலை? So person will get again worry. All karmas have got limitation and சொல்ல போறார் Lord Krishna. So primary I, OC, Atma is nirvyaparaha, vyapara rahitaha, actionless. So I can claim I am nirvyaparaha. What Swamini nirvyaparaha? You say, now only kashtapattu the traffic law we have come all the way here. Vyapara rahitaha, actionless, and how can I believe? As the original consciousness I am nirvyaparaha. Who came here actually? RC only you have carried here. No? Body, mind, complex. You have come here with along with ahankara and sitting. But OC irukka illaya inga? And that means you brought OC also along with you? Since OC is all pervading, wherever this ahankara moves, the OC also is available. Moves and solla kodadu. How can all pervading OC can move? Tell me. This is important teaching. Koncham puriyadhu kashtama thonum. Very important, you see. So karmajan vidhi evam gnatva, knowing in this manner, naiva kinchit karomi, I am not the doer at all. Sollalama illiyo? So you got moksha nartham ipo. Puriyadha? Idha. Inge Kesari High School ukkarnde, Pandi Bazar Kesari High School ukkarnde, you can claim I am Brahman, consciousness. I am not doing anything but this body-mind complex performing the action. Whatever result comes only to that body-mind complex, not to me. I am nirvyaparaha, nishkriyaha. Sollanum. Adida. Therefore, Ramana Maharshi says, Kriti mahodhadau patana karanam phalama shashvatam gati nirodhakam. All these karmas are endless. Mahodhadau. Patana karanam. Every karma has got limitation, disparity, comparison, limitation. They will fall again, come back. The result will be over after some time. Again you seek another action. Again you will do. You get result. Again that result will be over after some time. Again you will do. Like this checker. One by one. So therefore, Karta is body, mind, complex, anatma. Just as the sun is not doing anything. One example சொல்றேன். நம்ம ஆத்மா நான் சொல்றதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் தயக்கம் எல்லாருக்குமே. So sun illumining everything. Sun, you can say sun is doing any action. Sun is not doing anything. In the presence of sun, sun anna நம்ம sun கிடையாது. ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கு அந்த சூர்யா. The presence of the sun, everything is illumined. You cannot say sun is doing the function of illumining. The presence of the sun, everything is illumined. Similarly, I, the consciousness in my presence, body starts functioning, mind starts functioning. So this whole complex ahankara starts functioning. I am not functioning. This is the truth. Suppose you are all functioning, you are the body. In the night also I have to function. While sleeping also I should function. But I am not functioning. I am there as it is. Body slept. Body is taking rest. Then am I there or not? Wherever action is there, I have to be there. But action is not there. Thoughts are not there. Mind is not functioning there also. Sense organs are not functioning. Am I there or not? Actionlessly I am there. So therefore means in action, without action, in thoughts, without thoughts also I am there. Nirvyaparaha. So sleep is the best example to go near to the teaching very easily. This is called Jnatva, means this is called Samyak Darshanam. This is called Samyak Darshanam. How you get Samyak Darshanam? Later he is going to tell that. What is the benefit? Vimoksha say, you will be liberated. What is the meaning of liberation? Free from sorrow. Shanti you get, Trupti you get, Ananda you get. You are free from all sorts of limitations, dissatisfaction. Atrupti karatvam would be there. Dukkha mishritatvam would be there. Bandhakatvam would be there. All the three doshas, you are free. From all the three doshas, you are free. So, Atmani Kartrutva Darshana is the only cause of Bandhakatvam. Atmani Kartrutva Darshanam. Who is the Karta actually? RC only Karta. Since I am not the RC, I am the OC, original consciousness, that reflection only performing. Really speaking, the reflection is not doing at all. Presence of me, it is dancing, that's all. Now, suppose you are illumining the dark room with a reflected light in the mirror. You keep the mirror, that reflected light illumines the dark room. Now, really speaking, who is illumining the dark room? That reflected sun is borrowed sun. Borrowed reflection and the mirror borrowed sun. The borrowed sun is reflecting the dark room. That borrowed sun, the reflected sun, is really speaking belong to that original sun. Mirror is not having its own reflection. It is borrowed. So borrowed kadan dane eppome. And the original sun illumining an action panla. Really speaking, in the reflected sun also not doing any action. But we are thinking they are illumining. The presence of that sun illumines the mirror. The presence of you put in a right direction, we would want to reflect the dark room. You have to keep in such a position correctly, it has to reflect. Similarly, this consciousness also, it cannot manifest everywhere. Consciousness is all pervading. The desk is pervading. It is pervading. Why if the desk is not talking? Why desk is not thinking, Swamini, today I am feeling hungry and cholalame? Because that medium is not there. So, adi madri, proper medium should be there, then only it can manifest. Since the mind is the proper medium, refined clay. Refined clay. This clay, Sukshma Shariram, reflects because of this proximity. Sun at proximity, the sun is reflecting in that proximity. Really speaking, we will forget the original sun. In the mirror, sun appa. Then actually what is that? You have to appreciate whom? But we never bother about the original sun. Similarly, original consciousness, we never care. And that original consciousness, patti class vechi solla vendidachi. But RC people are all enamored by that RC. You are all not RC, you are OC and சொல்றதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ஒரு ஸ்கூல்ல சேர் போட்டு கார்பெட் போட்டு ஃபேன் கீழே உட்கார வச்சுட்டு யூ ஆர் ஆல் நாட் ஆர்எஸ்சி అని சொன்னா நோ we won't want to come to class Swamini. ரொம்ப பிஸியா இருக்கோம்னா இப்படி சொல்ல வேண்டியதாச்சு. அந்த பாரோடு ஆர்சின்னு நிஜமா நினைக்கிறவங்க எத்தனை பேரு? பில்லியன்ஸ் மில்லியன்ஸ் பில்லியன்ஸ் crores. You are not that RC, you are OC, and how many are telling? Billions la, even one person is telling. How many are coming in? Fingertips you can count. நீங்கள் பின்னாடிக்கு என்னடி பார்த்து எத்தனை பேர் வந்திருக்காங்கன்னு யாரும் வரமாட்டான் கிளாஸுக்கு. யூ ஆர் ஓசின்னு சொல்லும் போது பீப்புள் நெவர் அக்செப்ட். அதுக்கு தான் சாஸ்திரா இஸ் கம்மிங் அண்ட் டாக்கிங்னா பீப்புள் ஆர் நாட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட். People are interested in RC and they are taking that RC as real and crying. Don't cry, you are not RC ன்னு சொன்ன வரக்கூடாதோ. ஆஹா இல்லை சுவாமி, இது ரொம்ப டேஸ்டியாக இருக்கு RC அண்ணா, ரொம்ப சூஸியாக இருக்க, கோஸியாக இருக்க, வெரி நைஸ்ண்ணா. பொட்டென்ஷியல் சாரோ இஸ் தேர். People do not know that potential sorrow, the marana bhayam, வியாதி பயம், ஜரா பயம், சர்வம் பயான்விதம். லாஸ்ட் டைமில் வச்சு பயமாக இருக்க சுவாமி, என்ன பண்ணுறது என்ன? அதுக்கு தானே முன்னாடியே பகவத்கீதா கிளாஸுக்கு வான்னு சொன்னான். ஸோ வெரி ஃபியூ பீப்புள் வில் லிசன். விமோக்ஷசே, தட் இஸ் கால்டு விமோக்ஷசே, தட் இஸ் கால்டு லிபரேஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா 33. ஸ்ரேயான் ஸ்வத श्रेयान् द्रव्यमयाद् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्माखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते. Now Lord Krishna is glorifying the Jnana Yajna in this verse. How Jnana Yajna is great. He Parantapa, O Arjuna. Arjuna ke another name is called Parantapa. Param tapayati. Paran Shatrun. Tapayati means the one who scorches, the scorcher of enemies. We can take two meanings here. As a Kshatriya duty is to destroy the enemies. When the enemies listen the name, hear the name of Arjuna, they feel as though they are in the boiler. Boiler means they are on the frying pan, no? Like that. Bhayam. This is one meaning. Arjuna is the one who create bhaya in the minds of hearts of the enemies. Philosophical meaning, a person who controls his kama, krodha, arishad vargas, shatrun, tapayati. The one who scorches, who burns, that arishad vargas is called parantapa. They will not burn you. A tivra mumukshu jignasu, who is coming to spiritual pursuit, that kama, krodha, lobha, they will not burn this person, they will not afflict this person. On the other hand, this person will burn them. Then only he is fit for jnanam. That person only is deserved to listen to Shastra. Now this is another criteria why many people cannot come. Because maximum people are all under the spell of kama, either kama or krodha or lobha or moha, either one or two or all. Totally. Maximum people. To some extent they are less sattva guna sampannaha, they will come to the class. They love to listen to the class. தீவிரமான ஒரு desire இருக்குன்னு நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன். Too crazy, too much desirous person. Can he listen the Bhagavad Gita class? Suppose he is having too much anger, no? Very too much anger. ரொம்ப கோபக்காரன். அவனுக்கு ஏதாவது புரியுமா பகவத்கீதா? புரியவே புரியாது, வரமாட்டா ஃபர்ஸ்ட். Even lobha, jealousy, greediness, all these people can never attend Bhagavad Gita class. Very difficult. So the person who can listen is who is a Parantapan. who has mastered his mind, who has controlled his anger, kama, krodha, lobha, mada, matsarya, to some extent at least, that person only love to attend the classes. This is another cause why many people cannot attend Vedanta class. Very, very difficult Vedanta. Parantapa, two meanings we can take. Then he says, Jnana yajnaha dravya yajnat shreyaha, shreyan. Jnana yajnaha means this discipline or this pursuit of self-knowledge, jnana yajnaha, means attending Bhagavad Gita class, an artham. Shravanam, mananam, nididhyasanam, attending scriptural classes, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, any subject connected to Atma Jnanam. That is called Shreyan. That alone is superior. That is called Jnana Yajna. That alone is Shreyan, means superior nityartha. Shreyan means what? Superior. That means the best anartha. Shreyaha means moksha actually. What is best? Moksha is best. So Shreyascha Preyascha Manushyametaha. Shreyaha means Mangalam. What is Mangalam? Atma Jnanam is Mangalam. Anatma, ignorance is Amangalam. Therefore, Jnanam, Atma Jnanam is Shreyan, superior. Now Jnana Yajna is superior. Now what you are doing? Superior Yajna you are doing. This superior Yajna I am doing another Yathanal Varana Pathadam, where I have started nearly 1 year. To recognize that you are doing Jnana Yajna which is superior, by that time many people out. Out anna irukanga. But class ku varadillaye. So this Jnana Yajnam Bhagavad Gita class, in second chapter laye people ammo idilla out of portion. Out of portion, out of topic enadu solluvaalla paper, out of syllabus. Out of syllabus. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவான். அங்கேயே செகண்ட் சாப்டரில் கிருஷ்ணா ஏன் சொன்னாரோ தெரியல. செகண்ட் சாப்டர் அவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு டஃப் சப்ஜெக்ட். கிருஷ்ணா வாண்ட் டு ஃபில்டர் த பீப்புள். மேபி லார்டு கிருஷ்ணா வாண்ட் டு ஃபில்டர் த பீப்புள். செகண்ட் சாப்டர்லோனே உங்களுக்கு இது தெரியும். போனால் போகட்டும், வரவங்க ரியல் முமுக்ஷூஸ் வில் ரிமைன் லைக் யூ. ஆல் ரியல் முமுக்ஷூஸ் வில் ரிமைன். They will come to know up to 4th chapter Jnana Yajna is superior. இந்த வார்த்தை இங்கே தான் இருக்கு பகவத்கீதையில், வேற எங்கேயும் கிடையாது. That is why every word is important. So superior. Then what? Dravya Yajnat. Dravyamayat Yajnat Jnana Yajnaha Shreyan. Dravyamayat Yajnat means Karma Yajna. That Yajna which involves Dravyam. Oblations. Dravyamayam means endowed with, involved. There's akshatai. So many things. Idol. So lot of things you require. Vastram, argyam, padyam, all these things. Materials required. This is called dravyamayam. If you want to do yajnam, yagam, any homam, you have to சந்தனம். அந்த சந்தனம் வேணும், விபூதி வேணும், குங்கம் வேணும். நமக்கு தெரியும் பூஜை பண்ணும்போது எத்தனை சாமகிரி. லாட் ஆஃப் திரவியம்ஸ், மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் அர்த்தம். திரவியம் என்ன? பூஜா மெட்டீரியல், ஹோமா மெட்டீரியல், யக்ஞா மெட்டீரியல், வாட் எவர், எனி ரிச்சுவல் ஃபார் தட் மேட்டர் யூ ரிக்வயர் திரவியம். வித்தவுட் திரவியம் கேன் யூ டூ எனிதிங்? Even for meditation you have to require asanam and you have to sit straight away. And you have to keep some photo in front of you, Ishta Devata photo, material required for that also. Except Nididhyasanam, even this meditation also required. And you have to put a fan, neat avukano, kosu kadikkodadu. Some people sit in the mosquito net. They have mosquito net. Mosquito net alla whole house ke mosquito net they are putting, no? Windows ke alla mosquito net da. Even doors also mosquito net. Mosquito should not come. So all these dravyams are involved. Dravyamayat yajnat. Then this yajna which involves materials, this jnana yajna is superior. It doesn't require any material. Aham brahmasmi. And cholladhukku enna material venum? Even though you do not write notes also, doesn't matter. Suppose you require only understanding. Nothing is required anna varamata. போய் அங்கே செலவு எக்கச்சக்கமாக செலவு பண்ணுறா, போய் ஆயாசப்படுறா. சுவாமினி காலையிலேருந்து மார்னிங்லேருந்து இன்னைக்கு உபவாசம், யார் ஆயாசப்பட சொன்னான்னு? அந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் அது பண்ணி இது பண்ணி ஒரே ஆயாசம், கொஞ்சம் ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கிறான்னு என்னமோ குறையும், அது அப்படியே இருக்கும். ஸோ ஆல் தீஸ் யக்ஞா ஷுட் கல்மினேட் இன் டு திஸ் ஞான யக்ஞா. We are not telling you should not do that dravya yajnas. You have to do, but never think they are ultimate. They are end in itself, and you should not think, Shastra says. Without dravya yajna, jnana yajna is impossible. Without jnana yajna, dravya yajna is incomplete. So you are cooking, and what you have to do? Why you are cooking? Food. To eat. After cooking and is keeping there and he is looking at them. Hey, why what for you have cooking? I want to eat. I want to appease my hunger. That is the purpose, that is the culmination of cooking the food. That example nalla irukku Swami puriyadhu. Adu sollave venda. Even half cooking we are putting in our mouth. We know that. But why we do not know this? Any ritual, any homa, any yajna, after any puja, any sort of religious discipline has to culminate into jnana yajna one day or other. I have to go to scriptural study, I have to study, this is the culmination, I should know. How can I know? Who will tell? Pujari will not say in the temple. உனக்கு இது தோஷம் இருக்கு, அது தோஷம் இருக்கு, நாளைக்கு எலுமிச்சு பொண்ணு கொண்டு வா, யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ சம் மோர் ஆவருத்திஸ், ஜப்பா மந்திரம் யந்திரம் என்ன சொல்லுவான். He will never say you have to go to Bhagavad Gita class tomorrow. This yajna is sufficient. You are coming from a long time. This puja is sufficient. Pujari cannot say, I cannot go and pull them. That person should get maturity. That person should get maturity and he has to find out the teacher. I have done that. Chitta Shuddhi has to come. Shreyan. Jnana dravyamayat yajnat shreyan. So what is the benefit? Next line he gives. Very important verse. That is the glory of jnana because it is superior. Number one. Karma yoga is indirect means. Second line, two way of applications. Two ways we can give the meaning. What is the second line? Sarvam karma akhilam. Hey Partha, jnane parisamapyate. Sarva karma means all these dravyamaya yajnas, sarva karma, akhilam karma, where their culmination? Jnana yajne parisamapyate. Their culmination should be in jnana yajna. Swamini, we have not done much dravyamaya yajnasana. You might have done in the previous janma. Otherwise, you cannot come to Bhagavad Gita class. Either in this janma, some extent, sufficiently in the previous janma also you might have done. That's why you desire to come to Bhagavad Gita class, Jnana Yajna. It is not that you are coming just like that. That interest is caused by this Chitta Shuddhi, that which is born out of Dravyamaya Yajna. Even the student do not know. Until Shastra says, oh, apdiya. That's why I love this Bhagavad Gita class. Then sadhana camp. Adi kuda sollanu. Some people come only for sadhana camp. You see sadhana camp, before sadhana camp class ella rush ah irukum. சும்மா ஜோக்கா சொல்கிறேன். ஆஃப்டர் கேம்ப் ஆல்சோ கொஞ்சம் ரெஷ்ஷாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் முள்ளமாக அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும் சுவாமி எப்படி அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ண போகிறான், ஜனவரி மாதம் கரெக்டாக வருவான். என்ன பண்ணது, இன்னும் சித்த சுத்தி வரலன்னு அர்த்தம். நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், வரட்டும் ஒரு 4 வருஷம் கேம்புக்கு வந்தா அப்படியே அவனு சித்த சுத்தி வருவோன்னு நான் ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். தேர் ஆல்சோ ட்ரைங் மீ. சுவாமி நெக்ஸ்ட் கேம்ப் எப்போ? They started asking today phone call. Next camp where, when? అరే నేను ఇన్ను ప్లాన్ పడలే, జనవరిలో ప్లాన్, అది కూడా తెలిసిపోవచ్చు పీపుల్కి. ఇప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్ కమ్ టు నో వెన్ ఐఎమ్ ప్లానింగ్, వెన్ ఐఎమ్ ఫిక్సింగ్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ స్లోలీ డిసెంబర్ దే స్టార్ట్ కమింగ్. என்ன பண்றது? சாதனா கேம்ப் இஸ் நாட் ஃபார் சாதனா கேம்ப். எதுக்காக? டு கிரியேட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இன் ஜிக்னாசா, இன் ஸ்கிரிப்சுரல் ஸ்டடி. I should not stop my life with the sadhana camp. If I stop sadhana camp, your moksha will also stop. Okay, out of topic. Leave it. So, hey Partha, sarvam karma, every action, jnane parisamapyate. Akhilam means without exception. Any karma without exception. That's akhilam, that's important. Aduttama sharanam. Without exception, in its entirety, in its totality, jnane, in the self-knowledge, parisamapyate, resolved, antarbhavati ityarthaha. It is in that jnana yajna. These all yajnas phalam included in this jnana yajna. In rendu kore irundha kuda dravya yajna paravane vittidungo. If you come to jnana yajna, even dravya yajnas benefit you will get here. That is why our teachers always say, even chitta shuddhi is not there for a person also. He can come to the class. Listening to the class itself gives chitta shuddhi. So therefore you need not do anything. If you come to Shastra study itself is sufficient. That purifies the mind. But it takes lot of time. It takes lot of time. So jnane parisamapyate. Then here in yajna mandal, who is required? Priest is required, yajamana is required, dravyam is required. Here in jnana yajna, who is the priest? Guru is the priest. Okay, Guru is the priest. Who is yajamana? When Guru is the priest, Sishya is the yajamana. So therefore, then what is Agni? Rituals la Agni dane they are doing. For example, here model Lord Krishna took Agni, Vedic ritual. Here what is the Agni? Jnana Agni, Jnana scriptures. That Agni, your Ajnanam, Swaha, Swaha, your Ajnana edutittu poi you are putting in the scriptures. And the scriptures enna pandradhuna burn pandradhu. It burns your Ajnana. And Guru is telling Tattvamasi, Tattvamasi, in scriptures munnadi vechittu, you are yajamana sitting in front of the priest Guru, and scriptures is the fire Agni. Jnanam Agni, this is Jnana Agni. Scriptures. Nalla irukillo? Nalla irukku. Next shloka. Tadvidhi pranipatena परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानम् ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. Very, very important shloka. Parikshak ondudum. Important question, you mark it, reading, like that you also mark here. Now, jnana yajne parisamapyate, Bhagavan Krishna said. All yajnas are dravyamaya yajnas, they are not superior. Jnana yajna alone is superior. Jnana yajna, how to enter into that jnana yajna? When I say it's superior, naturally, I want to get that superior one. In Dravya Yajna Venda, because you said not superior, so I want that superior. Then how to get it? Appadiva valiki. This is called marketing way of Krishna. Lord Krishna also knows. Pranipatena sevaya tat vidhi. Pariprashnena tat vidhi. This jnanam By knowing which you will be liberated, vimokshase yat gnatva, that which is superior, that superior knowledge you can get by approaching a guru. First thing is pranipatena, vilu sashtanga pranamam pannu nu solraru. Dirgha pranamam. Dirgha pranamam, long pranamam, dandavat pranamam. Sashtanga pranipatam means namaskara. And the sloka before going to that Jnana Yajna, when Bhagavan said how to get this Jnana, means people quote one shloka. People quote one shloka, you will get moksha by serving to the humanity. Service to human beings is service to God. If you serve to God, Lions Club, Rotary Club, that Seva Samaj, this Seva Samaj, you will get moksha. Bhagavan definitely will give moksha, they say. And otherwise you go to temple every day, your papam will go away. Once your papa will be reduced, what will happen? Automatically your punya doors will be opened. Once punya doors are opened, what will happen? Moksha vandadam. So all these karmas, whatever they do, seva, all these things, they are all finite in their nature. They can never give jnanam. Finite, they are all born in time. Whatever born in time, any karma phalam, it has to diminish one day. It will go away. So therefore it can never give jnanam. Kala paricheda is there for that. But whereas jnanam here, what we are talking, it is infinite. Infinite. It is not produced in time. So and so time you will get Atma Jnanam. Angradu kadiyadu. You recognize, that's all here. You recognize, you understand. You are muktaha. How? Through the Guru. What sloka they quote? See, dhyayan krite yajan yagnaihi teretayam. This sloka, many people quote. They never come to Vedanta class. Edhik varanam? Moksham venumanna, jnanam venumanna, aa classike varanuma enna? Adu illamale kuda varum. Na solren or slokan solren. Enna dhyayan krite, in krita yugam, dhyanam, meditation is prescribed for the people those days. Krita yugam. And yajan yagnaihi tretayam. In Treta yuga, yajanam, yajnam, yagam, homam, all these things. By that a person can get moksha. In Krita Yuga, by dhyana, person can get moksha. What about Dwapara Yuga? Dwapare archayan. In Dwapara Yuga, do archana. Lot of archana you do. Puja. Dwapare archayan. Yad apnoti tad apnoti. Kalau sankirtya keshavam. Yadapnoti, Krita Yuge Dhyanam Dwara, Yadapnoti, whatever person attains in Krita Yuga, that liberation, whatever person attains in Treta Yuga through that Yajna and Yaga, whatever the person attains in Dwapara Yuga through the Archanam, the same thing. Yadapnoti, Tadapnoti, when Kalau Sankirta Keshavam. Sankirtanam, Keshavan Sankirtanam Panni. Then our bhajana mandaliki pona podum Swamini. There are many people Saturday class vaangana, we have bhajan class Swamini nu sollitam. Enna pandrathu paarenga. Bhajan class mukyama, jnana yagnam mukyama. Ada kalau sankirtya keshavam. Sankirtana bhajana. Bhajana mandali, sankirtana mandali. And romba nalla irukum anga pona. You will enjoy. And you can't bring them here. You will attract it to them. அவனை அட்ராக்ஷன் இருக்கு அதில். சில பேர் டான்ஸ் பண்ணுவான், சில பேர் என்னென்னமோ பண்ணுவான், அப்படியே ஆடிண்டே இருப்பான். யூ ஆல்சோ ஸ்டார்ட் மூவிங் டு along with them. Sankirtya Keshavam. This type of people, when they are going to get. So another shloka also. Now whatever they get those days, this person get. This is figuratively said. It is not true. never take it as literally. Just to create bhakti in the people, they said. And they take it literally and they follow this unfortunate thing. And another shloka also says, Kalau kalmasha chittanam. In Kali Yuga, all people are having kalmasha chittam, impure minds. Kalau kalmasha chittanam, papa dravyopa jivinam. We are all living with that papa dravya. We are getting money. We do not know where from that money is coming. All black note, white, shama தெரியாது. ஷாமன்னு தெரியாது. Black money. White money, black money தெரியாது. என்னென்னமோ. Like that, once I sent the rupee notes to the bank. All duplicate. They came to my house. I never knew that. அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி தனம் எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ண எவ்வளோ பாப்பம் எனக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி people have fear. Papa dravya upajeevinam. So we are all living by that papa dravya. Vidhi kriya vihinanam. We are not following, even not doing sandhya vandanam. Vidhi kriya vihinanam. No discipline, rules and regulations we are not following. So இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது கலவு கல்மஷ சித்தானம் பாப திரவியோபஜீவினாம் விதி கிரியா விஹீனானா. இப்படிப்பட்ட நமக்கு ஞானம் எல்லாம் தேவைப்படுமா? படாது. கதி கோவிந்த கீர்த்தனம். நம்ம கதி என்னப்பா? கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா சொல்ல அதான் பண்றான் நிறைய பேர். யூ see the rush. Even that laddu which come from the Tirupati here, you cannot walk on that street. On the first Sunday or second Sunday they give the laddu. You cannot go there because Govinda Govinda. என்ன கலவு கல்மஷ சித்தானம் சொல்லிட்டாங்க. கதி என்ன? கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தான்னு சொன்னா போதும். Shastra asks, see, to remove the darkness from the room, you have to lit the light, lit the lamp. You have to push the switch to remove the darkness. In Krita Yuga, what do you do to remove the darkness? You do dhyana to remove the darkness in the room. You will not do dhyana. In the Treta Yuga, what you did people did to remove the darkness in their rooms, what they did? Yajna Yagam or lighting the lamp. In Treta Yuga also, lighting the lamp only to remove the darkness they did. In Dwapara Yuga, to remove the darkness in the room, what you have to do? Lighting the lamp. In 3 yugas also, lighting the lamp. What about Kali Yuga? Same. To remove the darkness in the room, any yuga it is same. To remove the ignorance in my mind, to get knowledge, either in Krita Yuga or Treta Yuga or Dwapara Yuga or Kali Yuga, same. 4 plus 4, you do dhyanam, you will get knowledge in Krita Yuga. 4 plus 4, 8. Kali Yuga, Krita Yuga, dhyanam panna theriyuma andha gnanam. Treta Yuga, yajna yagam panna 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. அது எப்படி தெரியும்? துவாபர யுகம்ல அர்ச்சனை பண்ண 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. அர்ச்சனை பண்ணிட்டா தெரிஞ்சு போச்சுன்னு. அப்படின்னா பிசிக்ஸ் லெக்சருக்கு போக வேண்டாமே, கெமிஸ்ட்ரி லெக்சருக்கு ஐ நீட் நாட் கோ. ஃபார் நாலேஜ் யூ ஹேவ் டு கோ அண்ட் ஸ்டடி ஃப்ரம் எ டீச்சர். எனி யோகா ஃபார் தட். இந்த சிம்பிள் தெரியாதா? நாட்டு தெரியாமல் இல்லை, லேசினஸ் அண்ட் கோட் தீஸ் அண்ட் ஆல். என்ன கொஞ்சம் டங்குன்னு சப்தம் வருதுங்க, எம்டியா இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம். திங்க் பண்றது பிடிக்கல பீப்புளுக்கு. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த ப்ராப்ளம்னா, தட்ஸ் வாட் லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா சேஸ், பிரணிபாத்தேன சேவையா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ அப்ரோச் ஏ குரு, டு நமஸ்காரம். பிரணிபாத்தேன்னு சொன்னே யூ கேன் சீ த சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணு. வேற என்ன? தத்துவதர்ஷினः உபதேக்ஷந்தி. த நோவர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆத்மா. Tattva means truth. Darshi means knower. The knowers of truth will teach you. Upadekshanti. Te jnanam. And the jnana yajnamlo edi sonnano superior anni. Atma jnanam, OC knowledge will be given by those people, Tattva Darshis. Jnaninaha Tattvadarshinaha. They are wise people. Jnanis Tattvadarshis. Shrotriya Brahmanishtaha. They upadekshanti. They will teach you. When they will teach you? Pranipadena. You go and do Sashtanga Namaskara in front of them. What is Ashtanga Namaskara? Ashta Anga Sahana. All 8 limbs of the body will be touched to the floor. Urasa. First. Urasa. Shirasa. Vapusha. Urasa. Sirasa Chaiva. Vapusha. Gira. Padbhyam, Karabhyam, Janubhyam. Namaskaraha Ashtanga Uchyate. Urasa Sirasana. Urasana chest. Shirasana head. Vapusha means whole skin, body skin. Vapusha. Gira by saying, Hey Bhagavan, salutations to you, Namaskaram. Ani cholanu, vaai taran. Gira. Padbhyam, the feet also touching the floor. Karabhyam, hands are also touching the floor. Karabhyam. Janubhyam, the shoulders also touching the floor. Knees are also touching the floor. So the chest, head, mind, mentally also. Manasa. So mental attitude, the namaskara should be backed by your bhavana, attitude also, manasa. And speech, feet, knees, all these hands, all has to be involved in this Ashtanga Namaskara. Mundakopanishad Visa Samit Parni Shrotriyam Brahmanishtam Tad Vijnanartham Sa Gurumeva Abhigachet. People do not know that. So, what will happen? Then, after doing Namaskara, Sevaya, then do Seva. Sushrusha. And the Guru, you take care of. That is Sushrusha. What are all requirements the Guru needs? Guru's needs to be taken care of in the form of service. Sevaya. Then, be with the Guru for a length of time. Sarva panni. Pariprashnena. Then you ask. What you have to ask? Katham bandhaha? Katham mokshaha? What is moksha? What is bondage? Ka vidya? What is knowledge? Ka avidya? What is ignorance? You tell me. You teach me. Tat vidhi. May you know, O Arjuna. Whoever wants to do this Jnana Yajna, they have to go and do Namaskara and do Seva, then ask Prashna, then the Guru starts teaching. Varsaya, go on and on, one by one, shloka by shloka, word by word meaning. So, you are that, he teaches systematically, methodically. Therefore, to get Jnanam, what you require? Consistent, systematic study of scriptures, Vedantic scriptures, under a competent, alive teacher for a length of time. Swamini, ettana naal aagum Swamini mudiyradhukku? This Shastra is talking about you. You are wonderful, you are beautiful. How? I will ask you, how long you want to see mirror? Tell me. You like to see mirror because you love to see, because you see your face. I will ask you, how long you want to see mirror face? ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேன், நான் என்னோட ஃபேஸ் தான் தெரியாது. அதுதானே சாஸ்திரம் சொல்றது. யூ ஆர் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம், யூ ஆர் வண்டர்ஃபுல், பியூட்டிஃபுல், யூ ஆர் முக்தஹா. ஆல் தி சாஸ்திர டாக்கிங். வை யூ ஆர் சோ டயர்டு இன் ஆஸ்கிங் லைக் திஸ்? பகவத்கீதா கிளாஸ்க்கு போகணுமான்னு. பகவத்கீதா இஸ் ஷோயிங் யுவர் ரியல் நேச்சர். வேர் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின் ஆஃப் ஹவு லாங்? இதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன தகராறுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஏதோ தகராறு. ஸோ one has to approach the Guru and get this knowledge. Then they will teach you, upadekshamti. They will teach you. This is the method to get self-knowledge. If you want Atma-jnanam. Atma-jnanam for what sake? For Ananda, Sukham, Nitya Sukham, Dukkha Rahita Sukham, Atrupti Rahita, Dosha Rahita, Bandha Rahita, Ananda. Limitless Ananda. If you want, you have to attend the class. That is called moksha. You attend and get that shanti. That shanti is called moksha. Clear there? Come to the next class. Thodarum teaching. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.